In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion's conditional formatting. Conditional formatting in Notion, also called conditional color, lets you automatically color your database items based on rules you set. This is great for things like task status, priorities, or deadlines, because you can see what matters at a glance without reading every row. To follow along, start by opening a database in Notion. I'll be using a simple task database, but this works the same for tables, boards, timelines, and other database views. Make sure you can see your tasks with properties like name and status. At the top right of your database view, open the settings for that view. In newer versions of Notion, this is where you'll find options for layout, filtering, and also highlighting. Look for the highlight section, then choose conditional color. This is where we'll set up our rules. Next, add a new rule by clicking New Color Setting. Each rule is made up of 3 parts: which property you want to check, what condition it must meet, and what color style you want to apply. For the property, select your status property. This is usually a select or multi-select field with options like Not Started, In Progress, and Done. Choosing status tells Notion that the rule will look at how far along each task is. By default, Notion may start with a condition like Is Not Empty. Change this to a more specific condition by selecting Is. Then, in the Value field, you can choose the exact status you want to target. For example, pick Not Started if you want to highlight all tasks that haven't been started yet, or Done if you want to highlight completed tasks. You can repeat this process later to make separate rules for each status. After choosing the condition, adjust the highlight style. Click the highlight option and pick a color that matches the meaning of that status. A light red or orange can work well for not started or overdue tasks, while green is a good choice for done. As you select colors, you'll see the preview update, and your database rows or cards will begin to change color automatically based on their status. To see the rule in action, click back into your database and select a task by its name, such as Task 1. Change its status to one of the values you used in your rules, like Done. As soon as you update it, the row or card should switch to the highlight color you chose, confirming that your conditional formatting is working. You can now repeat this process to add more rules for different statuses or other properties, giving your Notion databases clear, visual cues that make them much easier to scan and manage.